Okay, everyone, this is Felisa here with Homebody. So I have a 6-foot Prince flock tree with LED lights, and it actually came from King of Christmas. So I'm collaborating with King of Christmas this season, you guys. I've already shown you guys my 7-foot Prince flock pencil tree with no lights. Now I'm going to show you the 6-inch Prince flock tree with LED lights. I'm really hoping these are like the warm white lights and not the warm yellow lights. I don't remember exactly, but I love those warm white LED lights. So this tree here, I'm going to be putting in my master bedroom here in this corner, right over here. And let's open up the box. Well, it's already open. I'm just going to finish open. So here's the tree. Now, as I stated, I plan on using it here in my master bedroom, but I may use it in my home office. But for the time being, I'm setting up my trees. This is my second tree this week that I'm setting up. I already have one up in my home office, which is the one that I did my fall tree on. I may move that one in here. I'm not sure, but let me take the tree out of the box. So I have the base and the tree up. I put my tree skirt, I turned it upside down because I'm anticipating a lot of flocking to fall off the tree, so I can just pick this up and take it and dust it in the trash can versus trying to get all the flocking up off the carpet. So this is really pretty. Look how pretty and flocked this tree is. It's really pretty. I'm loving it. So what I'm going to do before I put the middle section on it, I'm going to go ahead and try to fluff this bottom portion out as much as I could, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so I got the bottom branches all nice and fluffed. And so I have this tree tucked really well in this corner so that it won't interfere in my husband going into his closet. And I do have some some panels that I just bought for this window, and I am so not liking them. So I'm going to be taking those back to Home Goods on tomorrow and picking another set. So let me go ahead and finish the fluffing. So I know I'm sitting close to the tree because I'm sitting on a stool right now, but I have the bottom section fluffed out as much as I'm going to do right now. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the mid section on the tree. Okay, so I have the window open, so the lighting may be off just a tad bit. So I'm going to go ahead and connect. This is actually section B. If you see here, they have a B here, but they have an A here and an A here. But I'm going to go ahead and connect these together. So I have the tree cut on, and what I like about this tree is that it has one of these stepping stools that you can just step on to control your lights. You can just step on this, but I'm just flicking my fingers. So now I'm going to go ahead and fluff this section of the tree. Okay, so I have the base and the mid section all put together. So now I'm going to place the top on the tree. So I have the tree all nice and fluffed. I can stand to do some more fluffing. But let me go ahead and get the fall off the tree skirt. Okay, so I have the tree all put together, and it's really pretty. Now I am going to take these panels back because they're not heavy enough for me, and they were like almost 50 bucks per set. I mean, I really like the look if you see the gray in there, but they're just not heavy enough for me. And then plus they're extremely long. I wanted to get 96 inches, but I think this is 106 inches. So yeah, so this is my 6-foot Prince flocked lighted lit tree. Really pretty. I'm going to leave the link below just in case you're interested in finding any information or interested in purchasing a tree. Be sure you use the code HOMEBODY to get an additional 10% off. This is the end of this video, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.